Your PC case does more than just hold your parts. It controls airflow, keeps temperatures low, and defines how your entire setup looks. With so many options out there, choosing the right PC case can be confusing. That's why in this video, I'm showing you the best PC cases you can buy right now, from high airflow designs to sleek, modern builds for gaming and productivity. You'll find links to all the PC cases in the description below, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and details. Let's get started and find the perfect case for your next PC build. Product 5. NZXT H5 Flow 2024 ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Case. Hot GPU throttling kills frame rates under sustained gaming loads. Dust buildup chokes fans and raises temperatures quickly. Bulky radiators won't fit compact cases, limiting cooling options. Cable clutter obstructs airflow and complicates maintenance frequently. Out-of-box builds lack sufficient intake and exhaust balance. Perforated PSU shroud channels air directly towards the GPU. Ultra-fine mesh front, top and side filters dust while maximizing airflow. Supports 360mm front and 240mm top radiators for serious cooling. Includes two quiet airflow 120mm fans for immediate, silent ventilation. Wide channels, hooks, and straps enable seamless, tidy cable management. Reduce GPU temperatures, sustain higher clock speeds during long sessions. Cleaner internals mean longer component lifespan and reliable performance. Easy radiator installation unlocks powerful liquid cooling without bulky chassis compromises. Toolless tempered glass and magnetic panels make maintenance fast. Check the product link in the description to see current pricing, specs, and availability. Product 4, NZXT H6 Flow RGB. Mid-tower airflow case. I still remember building my first PC, hands trembling. Every cable hidden felt like tucking a memory to sleep. That pride lives on in every new, cleaner build. Meet the NZXT H6 Flow, your showcase and sanctuary. Wraparound panoramic glass reveals every component with gentle elegance. Compact dual-chamber design prioritizes GPU cooling and calm airflow. 3 pre-installed RGB fans arrive ready, glowing with purpose. Perforated top and side panels whisper clean, dust-filtered performance. Wide routed channels and straps make cable tucking almost meditative. Your GPU breathes easier. Temperatures fall. Confidence rises. It's not just a case, it's your story. Framed for builders, gamers, and RGB lovers crafting heartfelt rigs. Open the glass and watch your memories glow alive. Clean, calm, radiant, like a room full of applause. Build yours with NZXT H6 Flow today. Love every detail. Check the product link in the description for full specs, RGB features, and the latest deals. Product 3, MSI Mag Pano M100R PZ White Micro-ATX Gaming Case. Think white can't be loud? Meet the MSI Pano. 270-degree panoramic glass transforms your rig into living art. 3 reverse blade ARGB fans pre-installed. Instant ambient illumination. Supports up to 360mm radiator. Cool extreme overclocking. Mesh side panel breathes. Airflow engineered for sustained performance. Magnetic bottom and top tool-free dust filters. Effortless cleaning. 270-degree view. Showcase your RGB build from every angle. Instalight IMEO gives one-button LED control, quick customization. USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C delivers 20 Gbps for fast transfers. Micro-ATX back connect simplifies cable routing. Cleaner interior look. 33nm cable space and Velcro straps for neat builds. Built-in fan hub centralizes ARGB and PWM. Tidy setup. Level indicator and GPU stand prevent sagging, protect hardware. Sleek white aesthetic fits streamers, creators, modern setups. Showcase-ready cooling, effortless maintenance. Build yours now. Check the product link in the description for full specs, features, and the best current price. Product 2, Corsair Frame 4000D RS ARGB Modular ATX Case. It started with a whisper, a case that refuses limits, a builder dreaming of silence, light, and brutal cooling. Traditional cases boxed creativity, trapped airflow, stifled ambition. Enter Corsair 4000D RS ARGB, a modular revolution. Frame modular case system lets your case grow and change. Swap motherboard trays, upgrade front I/O, tailor every inch. 3 RS RGB fans, pre-installed. 8 LEDs each, dazzling. Daisy chainable 4-pin PWM, plus 5V RGB control. 0 RPM quiet, Infinna rail, mounting slides to place fans exactly where needed. Room for dual 360mm radiators and massive graphics cards. 3D Y-pattern steel, front panel channels air, with minimal restriction. Keep internal cable cover for clean looks, or mount side fans. Supports reverse connection motherboards, Asus BTF, MSI, Gigabyte projects. We provide the frame. You create the art inside build without compromise. Transform your rig today with Corsair. Don't miss the product link in the description. Check it out for full specs, photos, and the best deal right now. Product 1, HAVN HS420 Dual Chamber ATX Mid-Tower Case White. Hot GPUs throttling performance during long gaming or rendering sessions. Messy cables obstruct airflow and make builds look untidy. Glass panels often distort interiors, spoiling component presentation and clarity. Radiators and fans limited by cramped layouts and poor placement options. GPU sag and vibration noise undermine build reliability and silence. Dual chamber hybrid design channels cool bottom intake directly to GPU. Supports 11 140mm fans and 3 420mm radiators for extreme cooling. Heat-formed unisheet glass delivers panoramic, low distortion internal visibility. Simple cable routing with grooved guides and braided ribbons for tidy cable management. Adjustable GPU support bracket and rubberized pads prevent sag and resonance. Cleaner airflow equals lower temperatures, sustained performance during heavy loads. Organized cables improve airflow, simplify builds, and present professional aesthetics. Crystal clear unisheet glass showcases components without distracting visual distortion. Flexible radiator and fan support future-proofs cooling for custom loops. Hit the product link in the description to explore full specs, visuals, and the latest price.